Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any sound or music become silent automatically in particular time in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just go to the settings and just search for one option, do not disturb. So before turning it on, you can see here schedule. So we'll add a new schedule and you can select every day or some particular day also, and just click on this set time. So now I will just set my respective time. So now let me try to play some sound or music. So now you will wait a few seconds. So finally you can see the respective sound or music has become silent automatically, and you can see one icon here on your notification panel. You can just swipe it down. Now you can see here do not disturb is being turned on, and it will stay till the time you have set. So finally we have muted or silent the respective sound that is playing on my respective Android smartphones. So by using this inbuilt option named as do not disturb, you can easily make any sound or music become silent automatically in particular time in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.